What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Trendy Butlers. We'll see what we have in the box, and we'll also see if it's worth it or not. Now, if you're not aware of Trendy Butlers is a clothing subscription that you pretty much pay $60 a month, and they'll send you different pairs of clothing each month. They do tend to send you pieces to match your previous piece. For example, if one month you receive just pants, the next month you'll receive sweaters and shirts to match those pants. So pretty much each month they'll send you different clothing to match the last month or to create a new pair of clothing. And they also have different selections from casual, dress up, or you can also mix match. Now, I did notice they do have better selection than Menlo Club. If you're aware of Menlo Club is a similar subscription, but I found that Trendy Butler had a better selection, and they're also more detailed in asking about your sizing. Now, with Trendy Butlers, you are able to trade in a piece if it doesn't fit you or if you don't like it, whereas Menlo Club, you're pretty much stuck with the piece. So enough with the talking, let's get to the unboxing and let's see what's in here. So we have a jacket. This looks like a bomber jacket. Also a button-up shirt. That's pretty much it. Now, is this suede? Now, it is size small, made in China. The name brand says Passport Solo Traveler Suede Bomber Black Small. So it is suede, but it's definitely not authentic suede. I wouldn't say it's real suede, real cow suede. It's more like polyester suede. Yeah, it's definitely polyester, you can tell. And the arms are not even suede. It's not fully suede. It's made out of like a jersey material, which is polyester also. But it does look really nice, not so bad. Put that to the side for a second. Okay, so here we have a button up. Now, this is Zane Rob, hope I'm saying that right, made in China, size small. Now, this looks a little bit big for me. Now, I did select small and slim. This doesn't look like it's small and slim. This is more of a medium, I would say. It's more like a medium. But we'll try these bad boys on and see how they look. Now, I did find the shirt to be a little bit big, but the jacket itself fit very nice. To me, it feels very nice and tailored. I like the sleeves. The sleeves are very nice and tight. That's how I like my jackets to be. And just from the waist and the shoulders, I feel like the jacket is very nice and comfortable. I do like the fit, but the shirt, like I mentioned, is a little bit big, but I'm pretty sure after I wash it, it's gonna slim down to the desired fit that I want. To be honest with you, it's not bad for the price, $60. They're saying you're getting about $150 worth of clothing, but to me, I wouldn't think that these clothes are worth $150, not the quality. You know, if this was real suede, real leather, then yes. You know, if this shirt was a little bit more thicker, definitely, but it feels a little light, you know, on the cheap end. And the jacket itself being made out of polyester suede just on the body, but the sleeves itself is different polyester material, which is like a jersey kind of material. But for casual, cheap clothing, it's really not bad. But is it worth the 60 bucks? Let me know, guys, if you have tried Trendy Butler before or you're willing to try it. If so, comment below. I'm very interested to know. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.